Hello friends, today I am going to make Rava pudding. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now cook it in a low flame until the sugar dissolves and caramelizes. Now the sugar has turned brown. Turn off the flame and immediately transfer it to a bowl and spread it. Now set it aside. Now take another pan, add 2 cups of milk. Now let the milk come to a good boil. Once milk come to a boil, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar or as per your taste. Now give it a good mix until sugar dissolves completely. Once sugar dissolves, add about 3 tablespoons of rava. You can take any type of rava and cook it in a medium flame for 5 minutes. In between, add 1 tablespoon butter and keep stirring until the mixture thickens. So now the rava mixture has thickened. Now turn off the flame and set it aside. Take a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, then add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the rava mixture and whisk it well for some time so that everything gets well combined. Now pour it into the bowl and cover it with the foil or any plate. Take some water in a pan, place small bowl. Now place the pudding bowl and cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes in a medium to low flame. Cook it with a knife or spoon. So the pudding is completely cooked. Let it cool for some time. You can also refrigerate it. It tastes better when you refrigerate the pudding. So now flip it. So that's it. Pudding is ready. So do try this recipe, and if you like the recipe, subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.